How to set up SiriusXM in your car. The first thing you want to do is check if your car has built-in SiriusXM. So to do this, you want to turn on your car's audio system, look for SiriusXM, satellite radio, or SAT button or input. Tune to channel 1 to see your radio ID. If you find your radio ID, your car has a built-in SiriusXM. Then you want to activate built-in SiriusXM. So to do this, you want to go to SiriusXM.com/activate on your computer or phone. Enter your radio ID displayed on channel 1. Choose a subscription plan and complete activation. Wait a few minutes for your radio to sync and start working. Then update your car software if need be. Download and install the updates using USB or dealership service if required. Then use a portable SiriusXM receiver if no built-in radio. So purchase a SiriusXM portable receiver like the ONYX EZR in the vehicle kit. Install the receiver in your car. So to do this, you want to plug the power adapter into your 12V outlet, attach the magnetic antenna to your roof or dashboard, and connect the receiver to your car stereo via AUX or FM transmitter. Then you just want to activate it by doing these steps right here, and then test and enjoy SiriusXM radio. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.